Business Plan Advisor, Ma'am Rinbet Sadayan. I am Nicole Angdasan Leonor, and I would like you to greet you all a pleasant day. Together with my groupmates, Mr. Dexter Andres, Miss Joylyn Anas, Miss Cristel Corpus. We are here today to present to you our business entitled Be Delicious. Welcome to our business plan entitled Be Delicious. This is our business logo. This one. And this is the example of our multi cups. Project summary. Project summary. Our multi-business entitled Be Delicious aims to provide a refreshing and enjoyable beverage experience to students, faculty, and staff. With a wide variety of milky flavors, we strive to become the go-to destination on our school campus by providing high-quality milk tea, creating a welcoming ambience, and fostering a sense of community. We establish milk tea as a beloved and integral part of the school campus experience. The business is located inside the school campus, ISPSC Cervantes, Ilocos Sur, because the area is suitable for various factors such as target markets, accessibility, and cost.
So let's proceed to industry profile. Titalicious is a small business dedicated to bring joy through delightful beverages. We focus on creating a memorable experience for our customers by offering a diverse range of milk tea. We provide a cozy ambience where students and teachers can relax to refresh their mind from school to lessen their stress. With a passion for tea and a dedication to exceptional service, we aim to be the ultimate destination for seeking a delightful tea drinking experience.
This is a description of the business. Tea Delicious is a cozy and inviting milk tea spots nestled within the heart of our school campus. We take a pride in our commitment to quality, creativity, and customer satisfaction, making each visit to Tea Delicious a delightful journey into the world of refreshingly bold and delicious beverages.
Our vision: to spread happiness and refreshment throughout the ISPSC community. We do this by crafting delicious milk teas with the best tasting and cultivating a cozy environment where students and faculty can unwind and savor the moment. Mission. Our mission is to become the go-to destination for everyone at ISPSC, offering a welcoming atmosphere where each customer feels cherished and departs with a smile of satisfaction.
Now, let's proceed to goals and objectives. First, increase awareness. Make more ISPians aware of our business by spreading the word through social media platforms, flyers around campus, and word of mouth from friends and classmates. Second, improve customer satisfaction. The business aims to continually improve customer satisfaction by providing excellent service and actively seeking feedback from our clients.
Next is foster a positive work environment. The business aims to provide a supportive work environment that nurtures and develops the skills of our team members. And the fourth one is learn and adapt. Treat each day as a learning experience and be open to adapting strategies based on what works best for the business and its customers.
Next, key to success. First, quality ingredients. Ensure that we use high-quality ingredients to create delicious and satisfying milk tea beverages. Second, excellent customer service. Practice patience, precision, and practice to make sure that your service is quality. Third, build a good reputation. Building a good reputation is essential for a successful business.
Moreover, good customer service. Always make your clients feel welcome and valued. The next one, social media presence. Establishing a strong social media presence will help our business reach a broader audience. The next, pricing strategy. Develop a competitive pricing strategy based on the quality of our service to attract and retain clients.
Next, adaptability. Stay flexible and open to adapting our products, pricing, and operation based on customer feedback, market trends. And lastly, continuously improve our skills. As with any occupation, skill is paramount and daily graduation is essential.
Let's proceed to regulations. The first one is food safety regulations. Ensure compliance with food safety regulations, including proper storage, handling, and preparation of ingredients, as well as cleanliness and sanitation of equipment. Second one is hygiene standard. Proper hand washing and hygiene practice for staff. The third one is waste management. Properly disposal of waste. Fourth one is environmental regulations. Consider environmental regulations related to waste disposal, energy usage, and sustainability to promote eco-friendly practices.
Now, let's proceed to market plan. Product offering. Design a diverse and appealing menu of multi-flavors and customization. Second, picture-taking area. We will create a picture-taking area that is visually appealing and Instagrammable worthy. Third, target market. We will focus on the people of ISPSC who are looking for affordable yet delicious. Next, build a strong online presence. We will create user-friendly website and social media pages to showcase products. Next, flyers. We will list our promos and promote our products. We can also use to offer discounts or announce special offers.
Next, market study. Strike. Competitive pricing. Titilicious offers milk tea at lower prices compared to those outside the school campus, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious students. Next, strategic location. Being located inside the ISPSC campus provides easy access to a active audience of students and faculty members, ensuring a steady flow of potential customers. Customization option. We allow customers to personalize their drinks by choosing different flavors, sweetness level, and toppings. Moreover, growing demand. Milk tea have become increasingly popular in recent years, and the demand for these products is on the rise. Next, quick service. Providing fast and efficient service can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Next, high profit margins. The profit margins for this service are typically high, enabling business owners to make a good return on our investment. And lastly, seasonal demand. During the hot summer days, lots of people want cold drinks like milk tea. Titilicious seizes this seasonal opportunity by providing an extensive selection of refreshing milk tea options, catering to customers seeking a delightful escape from the heat.
So, let's proceed to weaknesses. The first one, intense competition. The milk tea industry is highly competitive, requiring businesses to differentiate themselves through unique offerings or exceptional customer service. The next one, limited of operating hours. Constrained by the academic schedule of the school, we may face challenges in extending operating hours beyond students' hours, potentially limiting revenue opportunities. And the next one, high sugar content. Milk tea often contains high levels of sugar, which can be a concern for health-conscious individuals. Health concern. Some individuals may perceive milk tea as an unhealthy beverage due to its sugar content and potential additives.
So let's proceed to opportunities. The first one is growing demand. Milk tea are gaining increasing popularity during hot summer days. The demand for this business is rapidly growing, which represents a significant opportunity for businesses in the industry. Second one is online ordering. The rise of food delivery platforms presents an opportunity for us to reach a wider customer base. Third one is special promotions. Offering discounts or packages can attract new customers and encourage repeat business. Fourth one is increased customer loyalty. Providing quality milk tea will lead to more customer loyalty and turn leading to increased profits and business growth.
Threats, negative online reviews, and reputation damage. Negative online reviews or social media posts can quickly spread and damage our reputation. Health trends, shifts in consumers' preferences toward healthier beverages or alternatives may lower demand for traditional milk tea.
Next, ingredients. First one is black tea or green tea. Water, ice cubes, creamer, sweeteners, toppings such as tapioca pearl, popping boba, and nata. And the last one is the milk tea powders. Now, let's proceed to the procedures in cooking tea. First is boil water. Start by boiling water in a pot or kettle. The amount of water will depend on how many cups of milk tea we want to make. Second is steep the tea. Once the water is boiled, pour it into a teapot. Add the tea leaves or tea bags to the hot water and let it steep for the recommended time according to the tea instructions, usually 3 to 5 minutes for the black tea or as per taste preference. Stir the tea occasionally for better flavor extraction. Third is remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea. Last, set aside and leave it cool.
Procedures on cooking prayer. The first step is boil water in a pot. The ratio of water to tapioca pearls is typically 6:1. The second step, once the water is boiling, add the tapioca pearls to the pot. Third, stir gently to prevent the pearls from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Fourth, let the pearls cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they become soft and chewy. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Fifth, turn off the heat and let the pearls sit in the hot water for an additional 5 minutes. Sixth, drain the pearls and rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process. 7. Add them sugar syrup for added sweetness. 8. Our tapioca pearls are now ready to be added to our milk tea.
Okay, now let's go down to the procedures on how to make milk tea. First, prepare 200 ml of black tea, then add 2 scoops of milk tea powder chosen by the customer. Second, add 2 scoops and dairy or non-dairy milk. Third, add sugar syrup according to the sweetness level prepared by the customer. Fourth, add ice. Fifth, shake well until the powder is fully dissolved. Sixth, decorate the milk tea cup and add tapioca pearls. 7. Add ice to the cup, then pour the prepared milk tea. And lastly, 8. Seal the milk tea cup and it's ready to serve.
The next is the competition. Milk tea owners outside the school campus and canteen inside the campus that sells cold beverages. So let's proceed to products and services. The Delicious offer milk tea flavors, caramel sugar milk, chocolate, cookies and cream, red velvet, taro, Okinawa, and winter melon.
Let's proceed to the price of products. Milk tea flavors. Caramel, sugar milk, chocolate, cookies and cream, red velvet, taro, Okinawa, and winter melon. The price for medium is 59 pesos and for large is 69 pesos.
Now, let's go to marketing and sales strategy. For price, first is cost analysis. We should all calculate all the costs involved in producing and selling milk tea, including ingredients and other expenses. This will help us determine a baseline price that covers our costs. Second is competitive analysis. We should research and analyze the pricing strategies of our competitors in the milk tea industry. This will give us insights into the current market prices and help us position our products competitively.
Next, monitor and adjust. Adjust our pricing strategy accordingly to remain competitive and maximize profitability. Next is offer package deals. Offer discount to customer who always avail our milk tea. And let's go to promotion. We will use social media platform popular among students such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook to create buzz about our milk tea business. We will share visually appealing photos and videos of our products, engage with students.
Strategies. The first one is display eye-catching posters and flyers. We will create visually appealing posters and flyers to promote our milk tea business. Place them strategically in high-traffic areas such as bulletin boards, student lounge, or near classrooms. Second is word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to spread the word about your milk tea business. Third is online reviews. It's also important for us to actively manage our online reviews and ratings in order to improve the perception of our service and products. Four is define target audience. Identify students, faculty, and staff within the campus who are interested in milk tea. Fifth, customer experience. Prioritize excellent customer service and ensure that every interaction with customers is positive and memorable. Sixth is mobile ordering and delivery. Provide a mobile ordering website for students to conveniently place their milk tea orders. Offer delivery services within the school premises or designated pick-up points to cater busy students.
Operation plan. First, operating hours. The studio will operate from Monday to Friday, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. to cater to the schedule of students and faculty members. Second, product development. Develop a unique menu of milk tea flavors, toppings, and add-ons. Third, design and setup. Design a welcoming and aesthetically pleasing setup and design that reflects our brand identity. The fourth one, staffing. Provide comprehensive training on product preparation, customer service, and hygiene standards. Fifth, sanitation and safety. Maintain high standards of cleanliness and hygiene to ensure a positive experience for customers. Sixth, customer service. Exceptional customer service will be a priority at Tea Delicious. Staff will greet clients warmly, address any concerns or questions, and ensure a positive and comfortable experience from start to finish.
To our financial plan. So this is the financial summary startup cost of our business Melty. So these are descriptions of the products and what are the things that we need in our business. And this is the prices, and the third one is the total. So for the descriptions, these are the one. So first is the 20 oz cups that is commonly known for the large size, and 16 oz cups that is commonly known as medium size. Next, we need transparent lid wherein it is needed to close the cups because we will not buy equipment or sealing machine. Next is boba straw, fructose, creamier, tapioca pearls, and the rest are the melty flavors. So these are the cost or the price, and this is the total. The shipping fee is included. So for the total is 699 pesos, 205 pesos, 383 pesos, and 1,763 pesos. And for the miscellaneous, that is 100 pesos. So the total of our financial summary startup cost is 3,150 pesos. Let's proceed to financial plan, the expected sales for 5 days. So days is the days, number of clients, multi, size order, price, and the total. So for the day 1, we expect 20 clients that ordered 10 for medium size, 10 for large, and the price is 590 for medium, 690 for the large, and the total of these is 1,280 pesos. For the second day, we expect 10 with a total of 18 clients that our clients ordered 10 medium, 8 large, and the price of this is 590 pesos, 552 pesos with a total of 1,142 pesos. For the third day, we expect 8 plus 7 clients with a total of 15 clients. They ordered 8 medium and 7 large with a total of 472 pesos plus 483 pesos with a total of 955 pesos. And for the fourth day, we expect 21 clients that they have ordered 11 medium, 10 large, and with a total of 649 pesos for the medium and 690 for the large with a total of 1,339 pesos. And for the day 5, the last day, we expect 10 plus 10, 20 clients, and they ordered 10 medium, 10 large size of melty with a total of 590 plus 690 with a total of 1,280 pesos. So if we are going to add the sales for 5 days, 1,280 pesos for the day 1, 1,142 for the day 2, 955 for the third, and 1,339 for the fourth day, 1,280 pesos for the fifth day, with a total of 5,996 pesos. So if we are going to minus our startup cost, 5,996 pesos minus the startup cost, which is 3,150, the total profit of our business is 2,846 pesos. Our target sales for the 5 days is we should have 20 clients per day.
So, how did you come up with your business name, Titilicious?
For me, we name our business Titilicious because it is to attract customers. Sure.
And for me, because it is a great name for a milky business.
And for me it is playful and catchy element to the name, making it memorable and inviting for customers.
And lastly, Titilicious is the name of our business, Melty, because for the T Philippines is Multi Delicious.
So, what makes you different from your competitors?
First, we prioritize using exceptional quality of our products.
So, unang-una, sa pagpili ng mga products at mga brand ng mga products ng aming milk tea, unang-una, i-consider namin kung anong brand yon. Because may mga ibang products or brand ng milk tea na hindi masarap at hindi siya kaaya-aya sa mga sa mga panlasa ng mga tao. Pero ang pinili naming brand sa aming milk tea is Enjoy. This is common for the milk tea products because it is so delicious and so creamy.
And for me, we make our milk tea creative wherein we design our cups made of cream cheese that makes different from others.
So pag lumalabas tayo sa mga plaza, kung tinitignan natin yung mga milk tea, wala silang walang kadisa-design yung milk tea nila. So para sa amin, yung milk tea product namin, yung cup is didesignan namin ng cream cheese which is attractive to customers. So for example, gumawa kami ng milk tea, dinesign namin, tapos di ba ang ganda. So it attracts customer to buy from us.
We also empower customers to personalize their drinks according to their preference.
So ulit, atin pong i-differentiate yung mga business sa labas ng ISPSC. So for example ako, bumili ako ng milk tea sa I don't need to mention the name of the business owner. So yun, order ako ng milk tea which is yung gusto ko is 80% sugar level lang. Pero nung dumating is 50, para sa akin is 50% lang yun para sa akin. So para sa akin, hindi kaaya-aya yun. So sa aming business, so kung ano ang gusto ng mga customers namin, yun ang masusunod. Masusunod kung gusto nila ng additional ice, okay, basta magustuhan nila, kasi pag magugustuhan nila yung product mo, i-scatter nila yun, uy, masarap yung milk tea doon, tara doon, di ba? Ang ganda nung ganon na estratehiya para kumuha ng mga customers. So last is we made our milk tea with love. Alam mo naman, sa iba is gumagawa na lang sila ng milk tea para sa profit. Pero para sa amin, ginagawa namin ang milk tea namin with profit, syempre with love. Syempre pag alam mo namang gawa sa love is mas masarap.
How would you balance your academic commitment while running your business?
For me is time management.
Time management is so important. That's why we should manage our time wisely because time is gold.
For me, is set schedule.
So, set a schedule. For example, kung may binigay man yung mga guro or teachers na mga assignments or gawain, so kung may wala kang ginagawa, gawin mo na yon. So, by that, may free time ka para may manage mo yung business. For example din, kung wala man customers, kung may madami kang gagawin, so habang walang customers, gagawin mo na yung mga activities mo. By that, you are using your time effectively and wisely.
What are your other strategies to make your business success?
So before implementing our business, unang-una is mag-distribute kami ng mga flyers ng mga products at prices. And by that, yung mga ISPS is aware na may business kami ipapatay which is milk tea. Second one is
We will use social platform like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
so by that, yung mga social media platforms namin is doon namin ipopost yung mga products namin at mga prices namin. At yung ipopost din namin doon yung mga bumibili sa amin. And by that, pwedeng yung mga customers namin is maka-attract pa ng ibang customers.
And we will make our milk tea unique and delicious so that it will stand out.
So by that, yung paggawa namin is ng milk tea is sasalapin namin. And by that, maraming mga customers at maraming mga buyers na ma-attract na bumili sa amin.
How will you acquire acquire high-quality ingredients for your food business and ensure consistency in taste and quality.
We acquire high quality products by first is using or purchasing brand of milk tea which have high ratings. For example, we will use the brand of the product that we will use is Enjoy. Second question is how will we maintain consistency? So before we will implement our business, magkakaroon po kami ng training wherein ituturo ko po sa kanila yung tamang measurements sa medium size, tamang measurements sa large size. Ito yung i-share ko sa kanila kung ano yung measurement din ng mga sugar syrups, creamier, at iba pa na kailangan. And by that, kahit kung sino yung sa amin na maiiwan na magbabantay sa aming pwesto is alam nila yung tamang timpla wherein consistency yung paghain namin ng milk tea namin.
Okay, so my follow-up question is, are there any specific ingredients that you can use to alter your original ingredients in case of some of your ingredients are not available in the market or in the seller you trust?
Thank you for that follow-up question, ma'am. So, ang gagawin po namin kung naubusan kami ng stock like syrup, maghahanap po kami ng alternative na pwedeng i-caramelize like white sugar para nung sa ganun is mag-alternative yung aming business.
Isa pa pong halimbawa is, for example, nabusan kami ng cream cheese na pangwaling sa milk tea cup namin. Hanap kami ng alternative ingredients such as Nestle cream. At ang gagawin namin sa Nestle cream is i-chill namin ito within 30 minutes sa refrigerator. Within 30 minutes is pwede na namin itong gamitin pang walling sa milk tea cup namin.
And isa pang example is kapag hindi available yung gusto ng customer, pwede kami mag-offer ng ibang flavor.
And lastly, before implementing our business, bibili po kami ng maraming stocks, and by that, hindi po kami mauubusan. Kasi yung may tendency po kasi na kung may alternatives, may magbabago na lasa. So, medyo po ako against sa alternatives. So, the best talaga is mag-stock out para hindi po maubusan. Kasi magbabago po kasi yung lasa kung alternatives po yung gagamitin po natin.
What problem does your business solve?
Ang problema po na lulutasin ng aming business is
sa ngayong panahon is sobrang mainit kaya yun ay aming naisipan na parang ibenta.
We will provide the needs and satisfactions of our customers.
Sa init ng panahon ngayon, malamig na inumin ang sagot. Sa pag-provide namin po ng milk tea is nakaka-refresh, tapos nakakatanggal ng stress sa mga estudyante. Alam naman natin na mga estudyante ngayon is madaming activities. So by that, pag umiinom tayo ng milk teas, at least nababawasan po ang ating stress, tapos nakaka-relieve po tayo.
So what will you do if you do not achieve your target profit?
If we will not achieve our target profit, we will offer our milk tea products outside the campus.
So, we will offer our milk tea products by posting online, and also, ang gagawin po namin po is i-offer namin sa mga relatives namin na pwedeng gusto ng milk tea, and by that, may additional profit po kami na galing po sa labas. Hindi lang po sa loob po ng ISPSC School Campus.
And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.